Hi guys, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. If you saw my a week in my life video recently, you saw that I went book shopping to town like South Mumbai and I bought a lot of books. Now something about me is that I love Formula 1, I love books and I love movies, and I think these are my three strong passions for now. I went to South Mumbai and I got like 6 new books, and I am someone who does not decide what book I want to read. I go, I see the cover, and if I like it and I enjoy reading the synopsis about it, then I just buy the book. And today I'm going to show you which books I got. But before I show you what book I got, I actually even want to show you a book that I read very recently that broke my heart, and I recommend it to people. Honestly, this book that I'm going to talk about right now is not for everyone. It is a very heartbreaking book. It has a lot going on in terms of character, what the character went through, and the book is not that simple. And this is a book that can never ever turn into a film because I don't think anyone can visually watch this. So the book that I'm talking about is called A Little Life. But honestly, I was into this book since the time I started reading it, and when I finished this book, I didn't know how to feel. Like I had a ball in my stomach and I just wanted to cry. I have cried so many times while reading this book, and I must tell you that this book is not for the weak. And I also feel that if you haven't gone through hard times in your life, then you might not understand this book as much, because the things that are written in this book are just very, very, very intense. It's about this man who is really good by heart but has gone through so much in life, but how he still falls in love, how he still has family, how he still lives through it, how he tries to build a career when, trust me, he has gone through a lot. And I don't want to tell you anything that he has gone through. A Little Life by Hania is really good, and if you want your heart broken, read this book, trust me. Now, talking about the books that I got from town, I'm very excited. First book that I got is called Rogue Lawyer, which is written by John Grisham. Why I got this book is because I really wanted to read like a courtroom drama. I've never read a courtroom drama. Like I've read thriller books and blah blah blah. And this is the one that I spotted. I kind of thought that it could be fun. It seems like an interesting story. It's not a typical lawyer book, that's what it says. But I'm very excited to read it, and it's called Rogue Lawyer. If you have read this book, let me know what you thought about it in the comments below. The next book that I got is called Blink by Malcolm Gladwell. I have read his book before, and that was a very interesting book, and I am someone who loves, like, who wants to build her own career, wants to be independent, is building her own brand and all of that. So I thought, why not read Blink? It is basically the power of thinking without thinking. I want to read what he says. You know, sometimes it's not how many books you read. Sometimes it's even like that one line that changes your life. And I feel that I've read so many books which are about entrepreneurship, how to make friends, and how to be around people, that I feel that this is going to be an addition in that. If you are looking for books which are about business and all, then I think Malcolm Gladwell is a very good author and you should read his books. The next one is The Vegetarian. This is the book that I actually went to buy, and then I was like, I'll buy some other books as well. I have been hearing about Vegetarian from everybody. Literally everyone is talking about this book. It is the winner of the Man Booker Prize this year, and Man Booker Prize is basically the most prestigious award in the book industry, and it is written by Han Kang. I am so excited to read this book because it is so hyped. It's a small little cute book. I think I'll finish it in like 1-2 weeks. I'm super excited to read The Vegetarian. So if you are looking for a new book, I think Vegetarian is something I highly recommend. I'm not read it, but I already know that this book is going to be insane. So when I went to the bookstore, the first book that I spotted when I was looking around was a book named Monaco. And you know that I watch Formula 1, I love watching Formula 1, and I have a brand about Formula 1 called Project Podium, where I like cover niche sports around India. And then I came across Monaco. So first I saw Monaco kept like that. I did not know that it's a F1 related book. So I just went to pick it up because I was like, even if it's about Monaco, let's read it, you know, because Monaco is like a land of billionaires and I've heard so much about it. You only want to go to Monte Carlo one day. And I'm like, okay, fine. So I removed the book. And guess what? It is a F1 related book. So it includes interviews by Niki Lauda, Ross Brawn, Damon Hill, David Coulthard, Jackie Stewart, Martin Brundle, Oliver Panis and Nico Rosberg. They are all Formula 1 legends. And it's about Formula 1 and about Monaco. Such a big book just about Monaco. And there are pictures in the book, which I am so excited to read. So I did not start this book yet. A lot of people on my Instagram, when I put it on the story, they were like, oh my god, we know you're going to start with Monaco first, blah blah blah. But I did not start with Monaco because honestly the season is on right now and it's going to get over in December. So watching the race almost every weekend, then talking about it, reading about it and reading Monaco would get so overwhelming that I've kept this book for later in the year. But because I was so excited when I saw it, I'm like, I'm buying it right now. I got a love story. I am someone who watches love stories, movies, but the ones that do not have a happy ending, and books also that do not have a happy ending. Now, I haven't read too many good love stories, but I got this book called Seven Summers, which I have started right now. I am on chapter 3. Till now, the book is nice, it's interesting, but what I do is that every day it is a bit difficult to read, right? So what I do is I make sure to read one chapter as soon as I wake up while drinking my coffee, and then as I get into the book it starts becoming interesting and then you automatically pick it up to read more throughout the day. And I think that's how I got into reading. So if you're someone who wants to get into reading but not finding how to do it, just do this. This book is written by Paige Toon and they've sold over 2 million copies. So this is the first time I'm reading her book. It's called Seven Summers and I will let you know what I thought about it. I got a thriller book called Murder in Dehradun. I don't know why I got attracted to it. Maybe because it's based out on a murder that happened in India, and I wanted to get a book of every genre. So I just got this one. It just intrigued me for some reason, and I'm like, okay, let's just read it. One thing that really attracted me was that there are 13 suspects, one deadly secret. So it could be interesting, you know, like it's called Murder in Dehradun by Siddharth Maheshwari, and I'm going to read this one maybe after Seven Summer. These are the books that I have got and I am sorted for the next 5 months and I am very, very happy. I have a whole book collection, so if y'all like this video and y'all want me to do more, I can actually make a video on all the thriller books I've read, biographies I've read, you know, like mind books I've read, and yeah, I would love to do that because I love talking about like things I'm really passionate about. So thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you very soon.